Hey everybody, so it's just going to be a short, sweet, simple video. I'm going to go over a little tool here. I'm going to go over this little guy. This is called a smoke pencil, okay? A lot of home inspectors use these things for chasing ear leaks, as I call it, you know, making sure that new construction homes and stuff aren't, you know, leaking, that everything's sealed the way it's supposed to be sealed. I use this for checking drafts on water heaters. Now, you don't have to use this. You can, I mean, you could probably even use it later too. And, you know, if the smoke or flames blown back out you, then you have an issue. But what I want to kind of go over is how you light this thing off and how to put it out. Now, I lost the cap. That goes over the wick here. Figures. But I'll show you another way that I can put this thing out, because that cap you could put over the wick and it'll put it out. But I'll show you another way you can do this. I'm taking the time to do this. So this is the wick it comes with. Alright, and this literally works like a mechanical pencil. You need more wick, you just press that down right there and get more wick. These wicks are replaceable. You can usually get like the 6-pack of wicks on homeinspectortools.com, or probably get them on Amazon too. True Tech Tools. So the way you're going to do this, you're going to take your lighter, and this is a non-toxic smoke. It's not going to hurt you. Alright, so the way you're going to do this, you're going to take your lighter, you're going to get that wick, the top of the wick, on fire. Okay, just like that. You gotta get it going. It takes a minute sometimes. And you're gonna let this burn for a minute. I'd say usually about 15 to 30 seconds, or till you get like a cherry on top. Because what's gonna happen is the top of that wick, you want like a cherry on top. To get a nice, gentle, white trace of smoke. That's all it is, guys. And then when you blow it out, you get a nice gentle trace of white smoke. And that's it. That's how you light one of these off. And then since I lost the cap for it, I guess I'll show you how I put this thing out here. And that little white glowing up at the top there is completely normal. That's what you want. When it's glowing like this thing will, you're getting good readings off of that. So that's a really awesome thing. And said you can literally hold this like a mechanical pencil, like in school. Alright, let me show you how to put this out. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over here, okay? Like I said, I lost the cap for this, knowing my luck. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna very carefully. Now, remember, it's not for a homeowner to do, it's for professionals. And the way I put this out, I'll just kind of smother it until it stops smoking. It may take a few seconds. Really take a few seconds here. Unless the cap for it. And it's still smoking low. That's all you do. You just, you know, smother it out like a cigarette lighter. Or I mean a cigarette lighter. Just smother that out, and it's good to go for next time. I'll put a video on later too on how to change the flint in a flint striker for a torch. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed.